Good morning. It is Saturday, December the 21st, our first day
of being a
homeowner. And we are actually off for basically the last kind of volunteer thing I have to do for work before I'm officially off until next year. And we do this regularly. So anywho, we gotta go do that. And then we're going to start moving today. So move-in day is officially a go. It's still Saturday, December 21st. And so we have packed my car with like a few things, and it's already like packed with junk. That's nothing that I'm bringing. This is pretty much all the stuff, candles and my makeup and some toilet paper and my bag that I carry every day, and the robot that we just got for Black Friday, in this tripod. And I have my vlogging camera, which is here, and then my DSLR. So that's probably what we're gonna film the like empty house tour type thing on, because it has a better microphone and it shoots in 4K. It's really just better overall. So I am bringing that. And let me show you what my husband has. So he is bringing some kitchen stuff, his mini fridge, his ottoman, I guess that's yours, his mini microwave. Of course, those things will go in his man cave, one of our 4 big screen TVs, and that's pretty much all that will fit in his car. This may seem like a dumb idea, and it might be. We're gonna see what all, our goal is to clear out all of the small things, and then the movers will get all of the things on Monday. So we're not completely out of the moving situation. We're still wholeheartedly participating, but we're just trying to get the small stuff out of the way and leave the big stuff for the movers. So off to our house for the first time since we bought it. Let's go. So it has officially begun. We have some kitchen appliances. We have the living room TV down here. Of course, we got 4 of these on Black Friday at Walmart. One of them is 58 inch, the other is 50. So, kind of looking kind of tiny compared to this wall. I'm kind of regretting this 50 inch, but I mean, we don't really watch TV that much, so it should be fine. That's our little vacuum cleaner that we got. So yeah. It has begun, you guys. My office is still this pinky looking color. I still hate it, but I'm gonna get that taken care of before I like officially move in there. Let's see. Listen, I know the electricity ain't in my name yet, but I'm gonna need some of these lights to go off. Still coming and dropping off things. There are some items, all of the, I forgot to tell y'all, we did get wall mounts at Walmart whenever we got the TV. So we got 4 of them for all of the TVs. I forgot to tell y'all that in the Black Friday haul. So anyway, yeah, you guys, we are shaking and moving. So I am just getting stuff out of my car, which is not much. Oh, there are my keys. So I pretty much just brought like my makeup and stuff. So I guess I'm gonna put this in its rightful place. I guess we'll take it upstairs. All of this is gonna go in my room. It's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. By the way, I did have enough sense to bring toilet paper, and we have a few Capri Suns left over from the sleepover that we did with the mentor group, and then I have water. So my husband does have a mini fridge. We're not going to be able to stay here until Monday, which is when today's Saturday. On Monday the movers are coming to move all of the big stuff, i.e. our beds. We have 2 beds. We don't sleep in different beds, but we have 2. One is our new bed, which is a king, and then we have the queen, which is it's technically our current bed, but it's gonna be in the guest room. And then our refrigerator doesn't come until Monday. So we have my husband's mini fridge that we can use, like if we decide to, I mean, like we don't have it, just so that we can put stuff in there if we decide to stay here. But coincidentally, he has a mini fridge, so if we do decide to stay here, which I doubt that we will until Monday when the beds come, we do have a little mini fridge we can put like some little drinks and snacks and stuff in. But yeah, as of right now, we have no refrigerator. More progress coming along. My husband has the sprinkler system running. I don't know why, but more progress on the small things. I think we're like low-key finished. Do you have your wait, let me know. Do you guys do your paper, toilet paper like this or like this? I do mine like this, and anything differently is weird.
What? The Falcon! The Millennium Falcon, are you kidding me?
Oh, that's so cool.
I want a free Matthew, and I want a lion over there. Yeah.
Okay, you guys, so it is the end of day 1 of moving, or our own little, yeah, because we have tomorrow to move as well. So we literally brought almost all of the smaller things over here, even including like TVs and a couple boxes and stuff. The only thing left to get from our apartment is really the larger stuff. So I actually had taken a nap for a couple 2 hours, and he was steadily moving. So yeah, now we're finished. It's 7 p.m. We just went and picked up his check from work. Let's see here. I went to Comcast and Xfinity trying to get them to like expedite this whole transfer service situation. They're still trying to figure out if they service this area, which they literally service the house like 12 houses back up to the front part. So I'm pretty sure they do. They just have to, like, you know, verify that this is a real address and all of that. So I'm actually showered and dressed, and I think we're gonna go out to like a little celebratory dinner at our favorite restaurant, which is where we go whenever we are celebrating something major. So yeah, here's my husband.
Hey.
Hey, he is cashing his check. And we don't have any blinds. Oh yeah, our blind consultant, one of the blind consultants from this like local blind company, is coming on Christmas Eve, which is weird, but matters not. And hopefully they give us a good quote, because I need some blinds like stat, because I'm scared. But yeah, this is our current situation. So anyway, ending the vlog here, I'm sure, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.